Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper on Tuesday. No, Thursday, January the 25th, 2024. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudokus. Two puzzles left. Jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. And binary puzzle. Yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7872. And before I start, always count up 20 digits. 17 20 digits. What kind of binary puzzle is this one? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8. Binary puzzle, that means in a row or in a column, there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here in the first column. So the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here. So the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O, double O. Here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 O, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. We have here 3 O's. No, 4 O's. Well, okay. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Well, between the O's comes an 1. Between the ones comes an O. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes an 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Well, I cannot play. Not true. Yeah, I cannot place number 4. Well, in this row we have 3 ones. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed one of the rules, so this can be 1. This should be no. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Of course, we have here double O. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And now we need to compare. Nope. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Finish in 3 minutes. Well, without comparing, we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.